Hi there, welcome to BI Consulting Pro. Do you want to become a MVP? MVP is Microsoft's most valuable professional. That means once you become MVP, then you get worldwide recognition. Becoming an MVP is not an easy path, but if you really would like to become one, then I'm gonna let you know in this video how you can become the one. MVP is most valuable professional. It's an award recognized by Microsoft, and this award comes with a lot of experience as well as your contribution towards the society. But what is it exactly? How you become one? And how did I achieve it? Well, in this video, I'm going to let you know how you can become MVP. So if you would like to know more, please stay tuned with me till the end of this video, and I'm going to let you know everything about it. My name is Ajay Kumar and I am one of the Microsoft MVP in data platform. All over the world, there are approximately 130 MVPs in data platform only, and there are going to be more, and you can be one of them. But what is it exactly and how you can become one of them? Well, over here you can see on my screen, it says that I'm most valuable professional. In last April 2024, Microsoft has awarded me this award. And it was a great achievement for my career. Why so? Because this award basically tells you that how valuable you are for Microsoft, how valuable are your contribution towards the society, and how you can help more and more people can advocate the products produced by Microsoft. Let me tell you more about it. So over here, first you will see my profile, and if you would like to connect with me, definitely you can connect with me over LinkedIn or on our YouTube channel. However, if you are over here for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you always stay updated with our latest videos and updates. Also, please consider joining our channel so that you can support us and we can create more valuable contents for you. Now, if you would click over here about, there is a tons of information. That means who are MVPs. And here you would get to know Microsoft most valuable professionals are technology experts who passionately share their knowledge with others. MVPs have very deep knowledge of Microsoft products. That can be any product by Microsoft. Maybe you are working on Microsoft Azure platform, Microsoft Fabric platform, or any other platform. MVPs make a global community of 4,000 technical experts and community leaders across 90 countries and regions, which is huge. And that's why you are so special. Now, what does it mean to be recognized as an MVP? Here you would get exactly what does it actually going to mean for you. For more than 30 years, MVP program has recognized exceptional community leadership. The contributions MVPs make to their communities have incredible impact. Becoming an MVP provides ample opportunities for networking with fellow experts, Microsoft employees, and other influence figures in the tech industry. Once you become MVP, you can connect with the elite group of other MVPs. And then you can share your thoughts, your knowledge, and also you can discuss different topics with them. Microsoft also provides special benefits for them, which we are going to just get to know in a bit. But not only that, Microsoft would invite you to different events as well, where your talent is going to be recognized. You can connect with the fellow MVPs, you can talk a lot more other topics, or maybe you can participate some of the other conversations that are already going on. You will also get access to the Microsoft product group. You can share your thoughts with them. You can attend different conferences, meetings, etc. Now, here we are going to talk about what are the key benefits to become a Microsoft MVP and why it can be a life-changing award for you. You can call it a life-changing award or life-changing event. That's not going to matter, but what it's going to matter, what you would get when you become an MVP. Key benefits of MVPs include early access to Microsoft Preview products. That means you can get hands-on, you can try those products, and you can see whether it's the right fit or not, or you can also provide the feedback to the product group. And direct communication channels with our product teams, like I've said. That includes upcoming roadmaps. MVPs are invited to attend MVP Summit, an exclusive annual event featuring Microsoft executives that is hosted and live streamed from Microsoft's global headquarters in Redmond. Isn't it amazing? MVPs also engage regularly with regional and local Microsoft leaders who identify opportunities in their region or country. Other benefits include an executive recognition letter, badges, and credential to identify yourself as a Microsoft MVP. As a Microsoft MVP publicly in online and customer channels, as well as access to numerous cloud and subscription-based products like Visual Studio Enterprise, Azure Credits, Microsoft 365, GitHub Copilot, LinkedIn Learning, additional third-party benefits, and much more. That's how you get lots of benefits from Microsoft. You can utilize their product. You get early access to some of the new features that are coming into the market. And not only that, guys, if you are going to switch your job or you would like to get progress in your career, then this contributes towards the success of your career. And that's why I always say becoming MVP was a dream for me. It's been recognized. That's why I told you even before, becoming MVP was a dream for me, and I'm really happy that I am Microsoft recognized my contribution towards the society, and you can be the next. Now, there are two more points. What does it take to become an MVP? There are three main points over here, but you can pause this screen and have a look. First is advocacy. You have to build global awareness and adoption of Microsoft products through in-person and online channels, including interaction directly with Microsoft engineers. Secondly, product feedback. You have to provide the product feedback for Microsoft. For example, you are working with Microsoft Fabric. You can provide your feedback directly via Microsoft documentation or other forms. Then you have to also contribute towards the community. That last point is community health. Foster a diverse and positively community through use of technology and or expertise to advance social impact in community. And how you can do that? While there is a Microsoft Power BI community, Microsoft Fabric community, you can register over there and start answering to the question. You can also ask questions. You can also provide your ideas over there. That's how you do that. Microsoft is always looking for more and more MVPs, provided you fit best under these three different sections. Once you do that, then definitely you can be nominated by someone like me. You can also ask me and I can nominate you over there, provided you have contributed, you have helped others to learn Microsoft products. There is a certain eligibility criteria as well, which I'm just going to let you know, apart from all three topics that we discussed under what it takes to become Microsoft MVP. First, all MVPs must acknowledge the MVP program agreement upon acceptance. Secondly, to participate in the MVP program, you must be 18 years or older. You have to be an individual person and you cannot be an corporate. Then you can also not be a contractor currently engaged in work for Microsoft. You should be regarded by Microsoft community as a community influencer and technical advocate by virtue of online and offline contribution in forums, user groups, speaking engagement, projects, or other publicly accessible venues. Next to that is you have made an impactful contribution to Microsoft technology communities in the past 12 months. So yes, Microsoft sees your past 12-month contribution, and definitely I would highly recognize. And over here, I would highly recommend you to engage yourself every month, at least in one of the sessions. You can be host or you can be a guest over there. Secondly, you have to contribute towards the different communities where you would like to pursue. For example, you are working on Microsoft Fabric product, then you have to engage with the Microsoft Fabric blog, community, and ideas over there. A complete version of the MVP program agreement will be made available with additional details for you to review and acknowledge during your application and again upon acceptance. So guys, these were the really important part of how to become an MVP. However, if you really would like to become an MVP, then I can also guide you. You can connect with me at connect@biconsultingpro.com, but please do join our channel, support us so that we can create more contents for you. For all the channel joiners who are becoming the member of our BI Consulting Pro family, every month we are going to have a members only webinar where I'm going to let you know how you can get progress in your career. I'm going to answer to all the questions that you have. Also, we are going to talk about the latest updates that are coming in Microsoft Fabric. This is it for this video, guys. If you have any question, concern, please do let me know in the comment section. Do share this video with your friends and colleagues. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Well, till next time, please keep exploring the world of data, and I'm going to see you in the next video.